How to allow or deny app permission to access calendars on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the main settings page, we scroll down and in here tap on Privacy and Security. Next, go down and tap on Calendars. In here, you can tap on an app. So for example, Google Calendar. Now at the moment, Google Calendar have full access to your calendars data in your calendars app. So if you want to deny it, you can select none or add events only. So if you want to deny permission to an app, you can select none. Otherwise, you can choose full access and then tap on allow full access. And here's the allow Google Calendar to access your calendar events or only create new events. So select one of the available options, then tap on the back key. Now, if you have any other apps that's requesting access to your calendar's data, you can also go in there and grant or deny the permission. And after that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.